Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Bentley, the social media and content creator at Sallie Tomato. We are excited to open day 5 of our 2025 Sallie & Co box and add a new must-have tool to your sewing space. Day 5, you'll space out when you see this item, early release just for you. It's the perfect thing to have on hand in case you need to loosen up or set things right. We've received so many requests for this item, and we're thrilled to offer it to you first. Introducing the Sewist Screwdriver Keychain Set, helpful tools a sewist needs, right at your fingertips. This set features both Phillips and flathead ends, plus 2 different sizes, making it perfect for sewing machine maintenance and bag making on the go. It's become a must-have in our sewing studio, and we love bringing it along to retreats and classes too. You won't realize how essential this little tool is until you have it in your kit. It truly makes life a lot easier. If you don't want to miss next year's Sallie Tomato & Co box, make sure to join our newsletter with the link down below so you'll be the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using the hashtags SallieTomato and SallieTomatoBox on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your Galactic Glamour supplies.